EM?
It's UM.
Oh. Oh. Hey, keep that in there. Keep that in the video.
Welcome back to the Hasner Law Show. We make legal content relatable. Graphic.
We're going to cut to our first segment where we take a look at clips and tell you if they can sue or not.
Yeah, man, I'm going to hire you next time.
I don't know if you can afford me.
Yeah, I need to.
Wait, what
She
happened?
believed in the
She
table.
rolled over something.
That went too fast for me.
Oh, she sat on it.
And she fell through the table.
Yeah. But no, it popped back
That
up.
was it.
What
That
is
was
that
interesting.
supposed to be?
Yeah, I think it's almost like that table was meant to do that.
Yeah.
Why would a table be meant to do that? Just turn on those hinges?
Oh, yeah, it did break. You're right. 'cause
Yeah.
it did.
Yeah.
But it
would've
looked
gone
like
back over the white
well, it
bar.
just looked like it came right back to its
Yeah, I
to
mean,
its
right.
original
there's still-
state.
I was
Had
wondering
2
if it was
points.
like a trash receptacle or something
No.
at first,
Yeah.
but
I
I do wonder why she sat on there to begin with. But I mean, it looks like a workers' comp claim to me. I don't know what the injury would be.
Yeah, I don't think the
I
injury's
don't think she was
gonna be-
really that injured at all.
I don't think the injury's significant enough.
you never know.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell. One thought that I have on that one is if she was trained to not sit in that particular area.
If they specifically told her, do not sit on this.
Yeah.
Has a claim. I still question the extent of injury.
Yeah, and that's a secondary question, of course. But probably pass on the claim just because of the injury. I mean, if she was significantly hurt, then yeah, potentially. So
Yeah.
it depends.
Our favorite 2 words. Who's the guy? What are the guys in the yellow doing?
Oh, some kind of emergency. Just like they're tending to someone.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's like EMS.
Why would he walk by in such a tight area? And then he got mad at them. Instead of being mad at himself
Yeah.
with all those beers,
Mm-hmm.
he didn't have room to do anything. I mean, look at
So I think his elbow clipped the table.
Yeah.
So
But
there
look,
could
there's
have
like a
been
stretcher right next to him.
Convenient.
Yeah.
It was set up
At
for
least
him.
Medical's on site. Yeah.
Yeah, they were ready.
Again, I don't see much of an injury there. He did hit his arm on the table, I think.
Yeah.
Even though he was not wise to go in that tight of a space with that much beer.
You know, like we said the last show, the employee's negligence doesn't bar them from filing a claim. We just would need more particulars about extent of the injury and all of that.
Yeah, it's a lot of beer.
It was. Have you seen the Oktoberfest where they
Oh,
have
it grabs like all.
yeah,
the
they all have them in
pints.
one hand, and it's I mean they're holding.
And they're heavy too.
Oh yeah.
Probably should not walk that way to begin with, but.
Oh!
He almost landed it. He almost stuck.
How did he get up so fast?
What was he
What
doing?
was he trying to do? It's like he's
Frogger.
It's like he slowed down in the road.
Yeah.
The car go off to the side too.
Oh, is that intentional? Was he trying to
So-
jump cars intentionally? Because look at the
Might
guy's
have.
videoing. Look at his friend's
Yeah.
videoing.
So definitely the driver has a claim. They got run off the road, so
Mm-hmm.
their car's probably damaged as well.
But as far as the obvious potential for injury, that would he assumed that risk contributory comparative negligence. I don't think there'd be much
Yeah, there's
of
case-
anything there.
There's no case representing the guy. The guy.
And
Yeah.
if he's on the job, I don't know if that's like a work truck or something, and they just pulled over to do this stunt here. That's definitely some kind of horseplay or deviation.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't look away.
Now, I guess the
The
driver,
shoe just flew in the
if
air.
the driver got injured, it doesn't look like they hit anything, but that driver could have easily hit a tree. I mean,
Definitely some damage
can
to
make
the
a
vehicle
claim.
because they drove
Yeah.
off the road and
Probably
the guy
broken
windshield.
hit it with his leg.
I was thinking more injury related
Yeah.
than property damage.
That
but-
could definitely shake you up, maybe.
Probably no case for Frogger Man, since he was the one that put himself into that situation. But if there's property damage, which most likely there was to the vehicle that struck him or that he struck, they would have some sort of claim to recover the property damage.
IT.
Now on to our next segment, which is lawyer myth busting. We're going to take a look at some videos and let you know if they're true or not.
Favorite phrase is it depends. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Should we take them in turn? Can you pause
Yeah.
it?
So the first one is
We argue for fun. You know, I thought that that's what lawyering made
A
you
lot
when
of
you're
people
younger,
do.
right?
Mhm. It's, I think, a common
It's a
misconception.
misconception for
You
sure.
always hear well, you're so good at arguing, you should be a lawyer. But, like we said in the last podcast, not every conversation is going to be an argument. If you make it so, you're going to burn a bunch of bridges and
And it's
destroy
probably in
some
your client's
relationships.
best interest if you're not constantly argumentative.
But yeah, it just depends.
On to the next question.
the next one was you like to use the phrase "it depends."
I really think that depends.
I never use it depends.
What?
Until-
You just used Sometimes when you see some of these videos, you don't have all the facts, so it really does depend.
Well, that's the same thing when you get a case. You talk to a new client, they ask you questions. Most of the time, you're going to probably be telling them, I'm going to have to figure out more what's going on. I'll know more once I speak to the defense counsel and once I get
Medical
the
records.
medical records, wage records. And so in that case, most of the time, you're going to be answering, it depends.
I don't remember the last time I was wrong.
I am always right.
Yeah.
Just ask my wife.
I was going to say my wife is always right. When you're handling a case, you get excited about it and you do think, this is right. I believe this is correct. This is right. And I think it helps you when you're passionate about it. So I think it is, I would say yes.
I think you got to be patient.
Pre-coffee, very low. Post-coffee, still pretty low, but
The
manageable.
second coffee, you have to be patient because there's a
yeah.
lot of moving parts,
Mhm.
It's not all in your control either.
And a lot of these take time,
Yeah.
too. It's rare that you get the case in, you settle it the next week. You're gonna have to work the case. You're gonna have to get the evidence, get the records, build your arguments and everything. And sometimes the clients don't like that, but that is the simple fact of it.
But it's a type of case though, right? So something that's like, I know you're thinking in a workers' comp setting, but something, because in workers' comp, you can get benefits now, right? So we're working as fast as we can to
Yeah.
get them the treatment they need, the checks they need so they can eat. PI is different in how those are handled. But if it's so clearly compensable,
Mhm.
right? Because we see unreasonable defenses all the time.
Yeah.
Not arising in the course of employment or just some, general
No accident or
argument.
injury.
Yeah, no, just general. When you know someone's really hurt, they need the help. I
Yeah.
feel like my patience level is low in
Oh,
those situations. We're
Mhm.
super aggressive, going, "What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?"
Yeah.
But then there's some cases that it's more questionable, and they do have a reasonable defense. We know the judge is not going to, jump in early in the process.
Right.
You have to have some patience in
Mhm.
those situations.
Last one is that you're good at Scrabble. Is that true or false?
I don't remember the last time I played Scrabble. So, not a huge board games person.
I'm really good at
The small words.
The
yeah,
smaller
yeah.
words.
I don't think I'm very good at Scrabble.
I didn't even know Scrabble was a thing for lawyers, honestly.
Pretty good at chess against my 6-year-old. Actually, he's
Getting
pretty
good.
Like-
A quick interruption to tell you about Hasner Law. We're a law firm that specializes in workers' comp and personal injury, helping individuals and their families through sometimes the most difficult times of their lives to help them recover benefits, maximize settlements, litigate cases, and really fight for people to help them. All right, the last segment is The Wager. It's a friendly competition between the three of us.
We did win last.
In a narrow
that was
margin.
me.
Cheers.
Yeah, it was a narrow margin.
Narrow margin.
This is the spelling bee. And so we'll go around. If you miss it, it'll go to the next person
Alright.
and so forth.
We should just play Scrabble.
Isn't this segment supposed to make us look good?
Yeah.
This is Humble the Lawyer. Maybe
Yeah.
we'll call this segment Humble the Lawyer.
I'm thinking first to like
Thank you. Thank you for not making it 10.
contra pro
Contra pro parentum.
You couldn't even pronounce it. You want us to spell it?
Can we
I'm
get it used in a
confused.
Yeah,
sentence?
can you use it
Yeah.
in a sentence? Can we get
Can
the
we have
language
someone
of,
who can actually pronounce
yeah,
it?
language of origin?
CONTRAPROFORENTUM.
Oh, it goes to Steven.
Can we just start with the parentum part? CONTRA, pro, PRO. I'm forgetting what he said.
Yeah, I don't remember either.
FERNTUM.
I think that's what I said.
Contra pro forentum.
You said O, I said-
CONTRA. I'm thinking.
We got this right already.
Contra. Okay, it's PRO. FOR. Okay, yeah, I don't.
Okay, next round. We're only doing 3 rounds. De jure.
What?
De jure.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure. The word is de jure.
We need the old guy.
Degurae.
Wrong. Steven.
Dejere.
Wrong.
Degere. I'm just adding letters at the end.
J.
Oh.
U-R-E.
Oh, I did ERE. I got close.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I should have done you. Gosh.
Locust standing.
Locust standy. Easy. Come on.
Locust?
Locust
Like the bug?
standing.
Yeah, that's easy.
Locustandi.
Got 1 point. Steven.
No.
Wow.
He spelled 2 S's.
Well, there's one ending with locust and then
Yeah.
standing.
Right. Duh.
No.
Hang
Fair
on,
enough.
I
Steven,
thought you
here's
got it
your
wrong.
word.
Oh.
You just can't spell, so you're trying to attack any way you can.
Steven's word is in personam.
Oh,
that's
an
a good one,
easy
yeah.
one.
E-N.
Wrong.
I got that wrong already? It's I-N?
I-N.
You got that's right.
P-E-R-S-O-N.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You're there.
E-M?
No.
No.
Here's
No.
spins.
It's UN.
Oh.
No, it's in.
Oh.
Hey,
Keep that in there. Keep that in the video. Keep that in the video.
don't
you
know.
thought it was you? I thought it was you.
Wait, did
No.
you think it was me?
Yeah.
That segment sucked. We were 1-0-0.
I can spell.
I thought it was great.
I got the first letter
2-0.
I can spell TTD.
Don't ask us for spelling.
Thanks for joining the Hasner Law Show. See you next time. Yeah, you say something.
What was it again?
It's on the board.
Line!